Hey everybody, welcome into this new video. In today's tutorial, let's take a look how you can start using the Freshdesk application. This platform is extremely useful if you want to have your customer support service into your website or wherever e-commerce store that you have online. So in order to continue, guys, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so we can get a great account totally for free here into Freshdesk, and you can apply for a demo if you want to figure it out how is this working. So what I'm going to do here is to integrate this into my website from the integration that the Freshdesk can let's say apply or can be compatible. And in order for doing that is, of course, we need to have an account. And once we do have an account, it's really easy just to verify your account using your email or your phone number. And what I want to do is to go into new marketplace, and here into the new marketplace of the applications of the Freshdesk, I want to click in here, explore the applications to enhance your work experience. So in here, actually this appears, I'm pretty sure that this upper side appears into Spanish and this upper side appears into English. I'm not pretty sure why that happens. Maybe because I'm currently based into Latin America, but I'm not sure why I keep seeing this. So what I want to do here is to add a few collections. If I want to work with, for example, MailChimp or the Google Calendar or my contacts, I want to add those. I want to migrate from one place into another one. For example, I can add MailChimp, I can add Slack, I can add Google Calendar, and much more. Trello, actually, these are places where I can just, let's say, to customize, to start working as a social management tool and implement my team inside this task and then put that inside Freshdesk. If I go into my dashboard, this is a dashboard as an example. So here, as you can see, I have 55 unresolved issues, 4 overdue, 11 due today, 28 opened, 3 on hold, and 8 unassigned. So here, what appears in here is the customer support that appears in here, the response received, the positive, negative, neutral. So speaking about only specifically the customer support, my insight or my dashboard is going to be appearing here into the Freshdesk. Now, as you can see here, I do have a website that I created a few days ago, where what I want to do is to click into customize. And what I want to do is to add the Freshdesk into my Shopify. So when people view my store, I'm going to click into preview, they can see the option like this of the Shopify. They can see the option like contact support, like need some help, contact us and let's see what is going on with you. Now, I'm not going to be focusing a lot into the design because this is something just for as an example to add my my desk that appears in here, the Freshdesk, into my store. So what I want to do here is to, of course, have both application Freshdesk and the browser, the platform that you are going to be using for the demonstration. So if I go into add applications, let's see if I can find the Freshdesk inside Shopify. So I'm going to go and scroll my way down until I find Shopify App Store. And here into the App Store, we want to look for customer support, or just hit into support like this, hit into the end button, and here we have a lot of options where I can just take my clients in here. But as you can see, I do have this desk here available. So what I want to do is to add the Freshdesk. So what I did here is to went into the Shopify store inside the Freshdesk section. So what I want to do is to copy and paste the URL of my store. So I want to go here into my online store, which is actually this one. Now what I want to do is to go into view my store, which is actually this one, and I'm going to copy and paste that in here. I'm going to choose connect. The page you were looking for does not exist. Now, in order to just authenticate your store, you don't have to be worrying about that, because what I want to do is to figure out if I want to have this active as you can see, I do have my store set as active, but what I need to do is to let anyone access to my online store. But in order to do this, I need to have a plan in order to continue. So I need to go and choose a plan, and after that, what I just need to do is to go into the save button and try to make the installation from Freshdesk. Go into your marketplace and go for the store that you want to add. Once you do have successfully everything done, what I want to do here is to go into my dashboard, and here into my dashboard, what I'm going to do here is to go into, once again in here, I'm going to go into the X button and to my tickets. Now here into my tickets, I'm going to be seeing something like this, and this appears as I have more and more transaction orders inside my store. So if I have my store already enabled and I have some product already available and I do have some orders that have been active that appears in here, if I have an issue, if I have something that it's not accurate, what Freshdesk is going to be doing is to add this order and send that into Freshdesk, and here's going to be appearing something like this. Now once again, I'm not pretty sure why this appears into Spanish, but here actually it says that there is an error into the payment section. I've received unscrewed television. So what you want to do is to go and click into the issue, and here you can see the name of the person who needs some help there, and the message: the television I found in this page has just came with a broken screen. I'm going to try to, I need help to change this or refund. Here's the name of the order. So I just want to verify this order inside my local Shopify store. And then what I can do is to go into respond, and here I can just start to make the process, the order fulfillment, the refund, or to send another item. So that's the reason why we use Freshdesk. So if you go back into, let's say I have just sent a replacement for your broken TV. Apologies. I mean, this is like not the accurate way to resolve your issue. This is just an example of what we can do here. But as you can see, automatically the resolution is already into pending. So if you go back into your tickets, the one that appears in here as too low, you want to go into urgently. After that, you can just close this and we are good to go. So what we can do next is to do the same thing with the next tickets. Choose your ticket, go into respond, depending on what is the main issue, we can just start to edit what happens in here. And as you can see, depending on what type that they asked here into Freshdesk, for example, the question: is this an incident, a problem, this is for a refund? So if you do have some team members already added here into Freshdesk, what you can do is to assign to them specific groups, as for example, someone from billing, someone from customer support, someone from refunds, and all that. So I want to go back into all my tickets, and if I already resolved this, I'm going to hit into closed or resolved, and we are actually good to go. Here into the Fresh Connect, what we can do here is to just to start to work with our teammates depending on what kind of sources they are. So here I have discussions, I have the message from the team, and here's my Fresh Connect. In my case, I don't have anything added yet because I don't have anyone into my contact, but you can add those into your contact section to be used in here. And here's going to be appearing all the contact and the emails, the phone numbers, and you can add social medias if you want to. But it's actually really simple to working here into Freshdesk. You can even add some social medias if you want to stay connected and to just scale up everything, not only from your e-commerce store, but including your socials if you have a few clients into your socials. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful video for you. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, you do have the trial version of the Freshdesk. You have up to 30 days totally for free. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. Have lots of fun there, and I will see you on the next one.